Hi guys, it's B here and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I have a cold, my nose is stuffed, but I really wanted to make this video. Just to start off, I would like to thank you guys for supporting me and my channel. I know I don't post a lot these days because I'm so focused on my studies, but nevertheless, I check my TubeBuddy and YouTube Studio like literally every day. And I was so amazed when my channel hit 20 subscribers, but today the number is 27 and I'm so thankful for that, and I really wanted to thank you so much for the support. And I can really feel that somebody cares. That somebody is you, so thank you. Also, I hit 2k views milestone, which is also so crazy. Funnily enough, one video makes about 3/4 of those views, and that of course is one of my shortest and least quality videos. And I really want to show that I can do better, not because of the views, but because not all my videos are like this. And I want to believe that I have more quality than that video. But still, I plan to do an updated and better version of that video. Anyways, all in all, on this very special Valentine's week, I wanted to post something just to let you know that I'm still alive, still doing my thing. So without any more rambling, let's get into this video. This is what I start with. I remove the cuticles, file any leftovers you have on the nail plate.
I just want to start a great big place down in your heart.
I ran out of my nail prep, but really any acetone is fine too.
I just want
Next, of course, the base coat. It's very important. I'm showing that these have numbers on and my middle fingers are about size 4 or 5. And I'm pretty happy with the Modelones dual forms too. So I kinda have made peace with dual forms. Maybe it's about practice and the consistency of the polygel, but this time they really saved me some time. Try to make edges thin, and if you put it on the finger, place it above the cuticle and then just slide it down next to the cuticle.
You're afraid to stick out your chin and say, okay, life's a fact. People do fall in love. People do belong to each other. Because that's the only chance anybody's got for real happiness. For real happiness. For real happiness. Because that's the only chance anybody's got for real happiness. Call yourself a free spirit, a wild thing, and you're terrified somebody's gonna stick you in a cage. Baby, you're already in that cage. You built it yourself.
I just want to start a great big place down in your heart.
And voila, all of them are done. And I actually love these. What the heck, they look super natural and super pretty. Next off, I paint on the white parts. And if you can keep a secret, in my next video I'm doing different versions of French tips, so stay tuned.
I just want to start a great big place.
Since this white is not ready pigmented, I paint and cure for 3 times until I'm satisfied with the result.
I just want to start a great big place down in your heart.
I decided that I wanted to do the ring finger all white with little hearts. For the hearts, I used my dotting tool and Sincero Salon gel polish in 727, but you can surely use bamboo stick or any other handy tool. And I'm sure regular nail polish works too, you just have to wait till it's dry.
Big flame down in your heart.
Yeah, I did them for the first time and I managed okay shapes on around fourth time. So I suggest stickers if you're a beginner like me. And by the way, I redid the French tip finger hearts too.
For real happiness. For real happiness. Because that's the only chance anybody's got for real happiness.
So yeah, this is the final look. I'm very happy with these. Plus they last me before, during and after Valentine's, so it's a big win-win. And they are also so very cute.
For real happiness.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I will hear you in the next one. Bye!